In this video, we're going to go over how to read through your homeowner's insurance policy. It's broken down pretty simply. It consists mainly of three main parts: your declarations page and summary and outline, the main policy contract, and then endorsements to that contract. So on this page that we're looking at right now, this is your declarations page, which is essentially a big summary of what you've got with your list out of various coverages and the premiums involved. And after that, you've got an actual outline, which kind of breaks it down a little further into what various things are and how they're supposed to work, what's covered, what's excluded, sort of in more easy to understand terms. And then you've got a checklist, which is the checklist of a listing of what's covered, what's not covered, trying to make it as simple as possible to understand what is in your policy. After those summaries, you've got the main policy contract, which is often written as a Homeowners 3 special form or something along those lines, but it's the main policy contract that gives you definitions for the policy, says what's covered, what's not covered, and then how it all works, what the conditions are for coverage. Tells you, your perils, your exclusions, conditions, those sorts of things. And then beyond that, after the main policy contract, you've then got a list of endorsements or a set of endorsements. So everything that comes after the main policy contract is an endorsement or a change to the main policy. Companies do this because they get their main policy form approved and then they will endorse it as is needed to make minor changes here and there. So in this case, the first set of endorsements is the special provisions for Florida, which changes, again, what's in the main policy in one way or another. And there's a lot of these little endorsements on most policies where you'll have things for, like it'll explain the calendar year deductible in Florida, or it'll explain other exclusions or other limitations or other added coverages, whatever they are, that are changes to the main form. And that's how you understand how to read through your policy. And in the next video, we'll go through this in a lot more detail about where to find various endorsements, coverages, and common things.